today I'm going to be doing a quick review on a new rim cleaner, so watch until the end. I've got some great results. In today's video, we have 4 rims here in front of us. They've been through a little bit of a roadkill accident, and now I need to detail them and try to get them looking brand new again. I'll be using a product that we haven't used on the channel so far, and I'm going to be putting it through some tests and doing a little bit of a quick review for you guys. Hopefully you'll learn something. Today we have Autoglym Magma in front of us. I'm going to be detailing this rim, and then later on in a video down the line we'll be ceramic coating it as well, so keep an eye out for that. But today we're focused on just a quick wash on the inner barrel and the outer face, and prepping it for our ceramic coating later on. These are some really nice matte gray rims. We want to get them looking good again, so let's begin our process. Using this Autoglym rim cleaner, it's got a lot of great reviews and people speak highly of it online, so I was very excited to test it out myself. We'll get to the pros and cons later on in the video, comparing it to other rim cleaners and why I might buy this over the rest. But for now, I'll give you a little bit of backstory on this car. It's been summer driven, spring and summer, and then switched off for the winter rims, but this is still a couple years of dirt and grime buildup, and then the deer accident was a little bit more recent. So we have to get rid of all this stuff, and I wanted to see how well this product would be used in an extreme case. And I have to say, I am very impressed so far with Autoglym Magma. It's very easy to use. Spray it on, wait 30 seconds for the chemical to really work and soak in, and then just wipe it away. I would say 80% of the grime came off with the first wipe. It's actually pretty incredible. I have used other rim cleaners before, so I have a lot of other stuff to compare it to, and I really like the way that this works. If you're working out in the hot sun like I am in the summertime, try to make sure your chemicals don't dry on. Keep your workspace area organized. Make sure your process doesn't cause more damage when you're trying to fix things. Bringing back the shine to these nice matte gray gunmetal rims. These are not aftermarket rims, these are actually genuine Mazda rims. So they come from a real factory, and I want to keep them looking brand new, factory finished. Moving on to our second rim here. Once again, the inside of the barrel has brown gunk and a lot of mud, stuck on stuff, pebbles, you name it. Make sure that your microfiber towel is clean. You don't want to be dragging around rocks and pebbles. Don't try to damage this paint, but the method is the same on the second rim. Soak it with your chemical and then work away. Autoglym is a brand that's been around for a long time. It's a British brand. A lot of people have great things to say. That's kind of what got me interested in trying this product out, and so far I really do recommend it. This spray bottle actually cost under $20 Canadian at my local Canadian Tire. A store similar to Home Depot or other large major stores like that. So it's a good budget option, it's easy to get, and it works very well. I will continue using this in my detailing business. Here in Canada, London, Ontario, I actually try to help out my community by doing detailing, polishing, interior and exterior, all sorts of things here at Champion Auto Spa. I'm glad I get to test out this product here and see how well it works and if I can fit it into my process. The front face of the wheel is a very quick, easy process. It's not as dirty as the inside, so here I'm not really gonna use too much of the magma. I'm going to spray it down with O&R mixed with a little bit of APC. But that's a good time to talk about what would I compare this product to. going through the pros and cons of this rim cleaner, I've used Meguiar's hot rims in the past. I've used Turtle Wax, some Sonax products. You can even mix warm water and APC if you have rims that aren't super dirty. It's just a general wash. I've done that before too. So there's lots of different options. Why would you choose this against the rest of them? Going over the pros here, it's from an established brand, so you know what you're going to get every time, probably good quality control. It's easy to get from major stores. It's on the more budget-friendly side, and it's very aggressive for the type of chemical that it is. I'd say it is among the best rim cleaners that I've tried so far. Some of the cons, well, because it's so aggressive, you need to make sure you're using it for the proper reasons. You can't let it dry on surfaces, just like other chemicals like this. Another strange con about this product is it does have a bit of a powerful smell, and it's not scented with a fragrance, it's just a chemical odor, so that might turn off some people, but to me it's not a super big deal. Being that it's a British product, we do get it here in Canada, but I'm not sure about other countries, so for me it's available, for you I'm not so sure, and also for me it's a budget product. In other countries it might be a little bit expensive. You'll have to do your own research on that one, but it is a nice tool to have in your toolbox, so I will keep buying this in the future. Here, as we move on to our after footage, I quickly pat these dry with a separate microfiber, and then I just let them air dry in the sun. You can see both the front and the back looks great again. I tried to get it to that brand new finish, and we got pretty damn close. You can see here on the inner side of the barrel, all of that gunk and muck that was stuck on is totally gone. The gray is really shining through again. There are a little bit of stone chips and general wear and tear, but that's something that you can try and tackle another day. For today, I'd say we were successful in fully detailing these rims. So check out this product. If you are in need of a rim cleaner, I'm definitely going to be buying it again. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please leave a like and subscribe. And please check out new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I have that ceramic coating video coming up real soon. Thanks everyone.